Hello student, are you looking for a design career and planning to study abroad for design? Do you know design is not just a course, it's a transformation. Let's start with our previous students' works. Are you ready? The world full of choices is waiting for you. As you see, there are so many colleges and so many courses. You just need to find out which one is actually suitable for you. Confused? Don't worry. The expert here at Key Art and Design will dive down to take the best out of you. And this is the path to success. Let's begin. But first thing first. Key study abroad methodology, counseling. We help and guide students to choose their suitable courses and colleges by understanding their capabilities and interest. We brainstorm, test their ability with the help of practical work and find the best career in design for every student who comes to us according to their needs. Our step-by-step process are career counseling, sharing intricate information, application process, documentation assistance, visa guidance and submission. Mentoring. We understand each student's capability and help them reach their potential by working on their strengths and weaknesses. For admission to design colleges abroad, students need to submit their portfolios consisting of original, creative and diverse artworks. This is where we engage with students and guide them in developing their basic skill and create a unique portfolio. Now, the areas of mentoring are skill analysis and enhancement, portfolio preparation, international test preparation, interpersonal skill development, interview preparation. But portfolio is the most important aspect of your international design college admission. And every portfolio has its own requirements and challenges. But what is portfolio? Portfolio is a collection of your creative works to showcase your excellence and expertise in your choice of art and design field. There are two types of portfolio: diagnostic portfolio and specific portfolio. If you are an UG student, then you have to submit diagnostic portfolio or specific portfolio. But for PG student, it is always specific portfolio only. Now, what is a diagnostic portfolio? A diagnostic portfolio is a general collection of your creative artworks in any medium, showcasing your basic fundamental skills, creativity and design thought process. It is not subject specific. You need to understand that. Then what is specific portfolio? A specific portfolio will consist of works which adhere to the subject you have chosen to pursue at the college level, which display your creative abilities for the college to make a sound assessment on your application. Now let's discuss the importance of portfolio. 1. Colleges use portfolio as a medium to understand your abilities and skills. 2. It helps colleges measure your creativity level. 3. It is also helpful in assessing your growth potential in the field of art and design. 4. It carries 80% weightage to take admission in any college. But the most important point to note, why 80% of weightage? Because international college admissions are based on the quality of your portfolio works. There are no entrance exams to help you score more. These works should represent your creative, technical abilities, your design thinking qualities, and your ability to innovate and implement contemporary ideas and concepts to help you gain admission in the college of your choice. Rest 20% depends on SOP and LOR and few other areas such as visa, bank balance and other documentation. Let's dig deep. As we know, all portfolio are a mixed bag of presentations, but for that we at Key Art and Design create a narrative around you, because a portfolio needs to be original in nature and creation. No copy work will be accepted. Now, key approach to your portfolio. Step 1, we will analyze you. Step 2, we will create a mind map and plan according to your potential and choice of work. Step 3, we will visualize, help you execute your works and prepare a digital presentation for a college assessment. Now, individual college assessments. Every college has their own criteria like media research, finalizing number of projects, medium analysis, execution procedure, content creation, low fidelity design, high fidelity design, black book completion, finalizing the presentation. Oh, we forgot to tell you about our achievements. Our students have got scholarships in so many colleges. You just can find out where you want to go. Also, our students have got admissions in all these prestigious universities. Let's do a ROI analysis for parents. First, it's an investment. Investment for the fees we charge to create a complete creative portfolio, excluding SOP. Now, period of investment 3 to 365 days. That means we can complete a portfolio minimum to minimum in 3 days, and maximum it can goes to 365 days in that same fees. Now, we guarantee 99% admission in your desired college. Also, there is a chance of scholarships, and early admissions have higher chances of scholarships. Now, these all are some facility at Key Art and Design. Mentors for different departments, studio setup, editing setup, swing machine, mannequin, XP Pen setup, and we use the setup as per the particular stream's requirement. So now you know why we are the industry experts for portfolio making. These are the most popular courses we have seen a demand in last 14 years of our career. The most popular streams are fashion, product, UX UI, visual communication, automobile, architecture, jewelry, animation, fine art and interior. We are actually known for our boutique approach because we commenced our journey of Key Art and Design with a vision to coach students in the field of art and design. Founder Dr. Paramita Basu was really passionate about teaching, which led her into educate herself in art education through Jamia University before completing her PhD. Our co-founder Sunando Basu is a professional artist himself and has always been keen on teaching the finer nuances of art to interested students. This teaching profession made them aware of the significance of value education and the difference between the knowledge imparted by professional teachers with an art background and amateurs. The difference they noted is the lack of genuine and credible knowledge, creating a plethora of misconceptions and misunderstandings about this field, consequently leading to the suffering of art and design community. This inspired them to establish a single exclusive center to impart authentic value education and reach as many students as possible. They were aware that multiple physical centers would be monetarily beneficial but would also dilute the depth of their teaching, which they refused to compromise on. And this is our journey so far, what you can see. And these are all the courses offered by Key Art and Design. Our vision to create a future for upcoming designers with ideal foundation, and our mission providing genuine guidance to future designers, enhancing their skills, creativity, awareness, and preparing them for design thinking and development. While the sense of art and design is one's own talent, the right direction is what differs the great from the good. With this belief, Key Art and Design was founded in 2007 by Dr. Paramita Basu and Sunanda Basu. Earlier, we were popular in the name of Key Art classes, but we have changed into Key Art and Design and became private limited, a design education multi-platform that is dedicated to exploring the different domain and fields of art and design at all levels. We help students create versatile and comprehensive portfolios, prepare them for competitive entrance exam for art and design colleges, and we have seen development of thought process skill in thousands of students and taught them to conquer their fears while working on their strengths and weaknesses in art and design. And this is the glimpse of our founders' educational and career background, their reviews and their other works. Now time for some extra preparation activities. We believe in engaging the mind in diverse activities for a more productive output. Our extra preparation activities are designed to enhance creative, observational, and design thinking skills in our students. And those activities such as art workshops, outdoor study, design internships, art retreats, design tours. Here we have our channels where you can actually be updated with all the activities going around in terms of art and design education, their entrance, portfolio and all. So now, if you are interested to learn from us, if you are interested to join us, and if you are actually interested to enhance your skill with our guidance, you can join us online and offline both. For online, you just need to WhatsApp us at 9891837209, and for the offline, our center is in GK2 New Delhi. The full address is E597 first floor, Greater Kailash 2, New Delhi 110048. Our email address keyartanddesign@gmail.com, and phone number is same like WhatsApp number 9891837209 or 8587992299. See you in our class either online or offline. Best of luck, best wishes for your preparation. Thank you.